Okay guys, so today's the day the trailer comes out of the shop. Just been kind of doing some little things here. I got my lights in. I got those in, so I went up there and finished them off. I ordered some Peterson lights. They're almost identical to the other one, the Bargeman lights. You're never going to be able to tell by looking at each one individually. But I got them in. I've been clearing out underneath it, making a path for this thing so I can pull it out. Pretty much got it all cleared out. I got to go in the back there. I got to bring up my stabilizers in the back. Then I gotta unplug it and roll up my cord. And probably a few other things I gotta check out before this comes out, but getting ready guys to hook her up. And we'll see how she comes out. Well, I see my first issue here. That hitch is way too high. I'm going to have to see if I can raise the jacks up and get under that hitch, or if I got to lower that hitch some. There is some adjustment here. This can go all the way down to here. So we've got an adjustment to go down, but this should actually be quite a bit lower than it should be if there's a real bed on here. So I'm not sure why I'm having this trouble, but okay guys, so I plugged it in, raised it up. We're ready to try and hook her up. Well, there she is, guys, out of the shop for the first time in a long time. Kind of wiped it down a little bit, cleaned it up. I'm still going to do something with that original siding. It's not going to stay like that. But the truck's holding the weight pretty good. Do a little bit of a walk around here. Still got to install that grill on the truck. And on this side, I got to finish off my slide room yet. Well, we're getting there. I guess, guys, that'll do it for this one. I'll see you.